Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is World After 1945. Dear children, in the previous lecture we have to learn that the United Nations was established on 24th October 1945. United Nations was established on the 24th October 1945. After, we know that the United Nations Charter started with the preamble and it explained the goal of the United Nations. And what was the main goal of the United Nations, dear children? The peace is the main goal of the United Nations at the world level. After, we have learned in the previous lecture about the Cold War from 1945 to 1962, and we know that after the Second World War, America and Soviet Union, it means Russia, both have a competition for the superpower into the world level, and these two superpower is concerned with the Cold War in 1945 to 1962. Now today we have to start the world distribution among the army group. The next topic is, dear children, that the world distributed among the army group. It means લશ્કરી જૂથોમાં વહેંચાયેલું વિશ્વ. One of the most important aspect of the conflict of the ideology was mutual distrust and the sense of the doubt on the intention of the rival group. What happened, dear children? Here, one of the most important aspect of the conflict as well as the ideology was mutual distrust and the sense of the doubt on the intention of the rival group. Owing to the fear born out of the mutual distrust and the doubt, both the power established their own military bases. Now what happened, that dear children? Here, both the power, it means American, Soviet Union, Russia, have established their own military base and lead and inspired by the America and Western democratic country on North Atlantic Ocean established a military organization. What happened, dear children? Here, America and the Western democratic country on the North Atlantic Ocean established a military organization, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, in April 1949. Dear children, what happened? That we know that because of fearing bond and the mutual distrust, doubt, both the power established their own military bases. With two power, America and the Soviet Union, it means Russia. Now NATO, what was the full form of the NATO, dear children? North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This was established in April 1949. In which year? In April 1949. Then after, to protect the southern eastern country from onslaught of the Soviet Union communism, America and England established one more military organization in 1945. Now what happened, dear children? Here, America and England was also established one military organization in 1945, and the name of that organization is SEATO. SEATO. Which one? SEATO. SEATO. It means Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. Russia established a military organization. Russia established a military organization and its name is Warsaw Pact. Its name is a Warsaw Pact against a SEATO military organization. One more military organization, CENTO. Which one more military organization? CENTO, Central East North Treaty Organization. Or Baghdad Treaty was established in the Middle Eastern country under the leadership and the inspiration of the England. Here, the various Arab countries joined CENTO. Later on, America took over its leadership. So, dear children, here you have to remember these three full form, and this three full form also helpful in the future in so many I'm repeating. One, NATO, it means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Second one, SATO, Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. Third one, CENTO, Central East North Treaty Organization. Next one, dear children, armaments, disarmament, nuclear weapons and its application. Which one? Next one, dear children, armaments. Armaments, it means सशस्त्रीकरण. Disarmaments, it means निशस्त्रीकरण. Nuclear weapon, it means परमाणु शस्त्र. Creation and its application, it means सशस्त्रीकरण, નિશસ્ત્રીકરણ, પરમાણુ શસ્ત્રોનું સર્જન અને તેનો ઉપયોગ. The Cold War, which was meant for the dominance over the world. Dear children, you know very well that the Cold War, which was meant for the dominance, it means to establish a superpower into the world, gave a rise to the fierce competition among the superpower. Now, what happened, dear children? Here, the one kind of the fierce competition between the superpower, and for the sake of the dominance, armaments race was given a high priority. America had put an atom bomb for the first time in the two cities of the Japan, namely Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Dear children, you know very well that in World War II, the America had used the atom bomb for the first time in the two cities of the Japan, namely Hiroshima and the Nagasaki, in which year? In 1945. This way, America proved its supremacy. In this way, what happened that here? America proved its supremacy. Within next 4 years, the Soviet Union too provides its capacity of making the atom bomb by conducting a nuclear test. And what happened that here, children? Here, Soviet Union conduct in 1949. In which year, dear children? Here they have not given the year, but you remember. Otherwise, you have to write down in your textbook also. In 1949, here the Soviet Union also making the atom bomb and conducting the nuclear test. This create the power balance between the two superpowers. America declared the blockade of the communist Cuba, which was on the southeast. Now, what happened, dear children? Here, America declared the blockade of the communist Cuba, which was on the southeast, to defend the Cuba against the possible attack of America. The Soviet Union ship loaded with the nuclear missile in the Caribbean Sea. What happened, dear children? Here, the Soviet Union sent their ship loaded with the nuclear missile in the Caribbean Sea, and both the superpower threatened each other to use the nuclear weapon. At that time, what happened that both the superpower give the threatening message to each other by the use of the nuclear weapons. The world was almost on the verge of the nuclear war. Finally, the leader of the America and the Soviet Union had talked on the hotline for the first time. Dear children, what happened there? This is the remember that here. First time the leader of the America and the Soviet Union had talked on the hotline for the first time. The Soviet Union decided to withdraw its seat, and America decided to curb the nuclear missile aimed towards the Cuba. What happened that after the discussion in the hotline, now the Soviet Union decided to withdraw its seat, and America decided to curb the nuclear missile aimed towards the Cuba. The whole episode is known as the Cuban crisis, and this whole episode, it is also known as Cuban crisis. And this episode is very important episode in the world politics. Dear children, remember that this kind of the episode is very important episode in the world politics. Why? It beginning the communication between two superpowers. What happened there? Because of that, now it started the communication between two superpowers, and this incident is important towards the process, the disarmament of the nuclear weapon. And that's why what happened there? This was considered, the entire Cuban crisis is considered the beginning of the end of the Cold War. Why? Because of that, now the two superpower has started the communication with each other, and this episode is very important for the world politics, and that's why the entire Cuban crisis is considered to be the beginning. It is considered to be the beginning of the end of the Cold War. America, the Soviet Union and the Britain agreed the maintaining control over the nuclear production. What happened here? Now America, Soviet Union and the Britain now agreed to maintain the control for the nuclear production, experiment and the proliferation. This agreement is known as a partial nuclear test ban treaty. Now what happened here? Now they are making one treaty, and that is the name of the treaty is partial nuclear test ban treaty. France of course refused to sign this treaty. Now what happened that France is refusing to sign the treaty. China is also conducted the nuclear test in 1964. Yes, remember that China is also conducting the nuclear test into the 1964 and refused to sign the treaty for the nuclear test ban treaty. This treaty imposed ban on conducting a nuclear test into the atmosphere, and of course except the communist China. What happened in Egypt? Except the communist China, the other four were already permanent member of the United Nations Security Council and possessing the veto power at that time. Now today, presently, total 5 permanent member into the United Nations Security Council. Now you can include the China at the present time. Apart from the nuclear weapon, missiles and the superpower have also developed the chemical and biological weapons. Dear children, remember that. What happened then? Apart from that, the superpower have also developed the chemical as well as the biological weapons. And due to that, what happened there? This weapon of the mass destruction and can kill the millions of the people without damaging any materialistic wealth. What happened there? We can say that this chemical and biological weapon are so much mass destructive to kill the millions of the people without damaging any materialistic things. People would die miserably by suffering from the various diseases because of the lethal weapons. Just presently you can take the example of the corona. During these decades, many important and far-reaching changes took place into the international politics, and owing to the many reasons, the Cold War among the two superpowers also ended. Now what happened? As for the passing of the time, now the Cold War among two superpowers also ended, and the nuclear ban treaty helped in this concerns. India has always welcomed this treaty. What happened then? India has also welcomed this treaty, but it always the support for the disarmament. Disarmament it means niche. The world will be always in danger until this disarmament of the lethal weapons is not done. So what happened then? We can say that presently people are living into the dangerous world. Why? Because maximum nations have nuclear weapons, missile and the other super nation power have chemical as well as the biological weapons. So each and every nation try to focus on the peace and they have to implement the disarmament, and this is the most important thing to save the world. Thank you, dear children.